What's up, everybody? The 1B here again, back with some more Adobe Photoshop thumbnail creation. We're using my video editing thumbnail template. This time, this video is for my Jotun thumbnail creation. So first, we want to come in here and we want to grab my template and close this video, or this thumbnail. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to save as, so that we don't accidentally save over the template. We're going to create a new folder, Jotun thumbnail creation. Jotun thumbnail creation. We'll go save. Okay. Grab this text and call it Jotun thumbnail creation. Space this out. It's really important to make sure this text box is in the right size, because watch, see how this is extra here? Let's go ahead and close it, or not close it, but accept it, and then hit V to give you the move tool, and then this will allow you to get the align options. So we'll align horizontal centers and see how it's off center now because of this here. So what we need to do is we need to get the text tool, which is T. Let's go back and do that. Whoa. Let's go ahead. I'll hit V again, and then I'll hit T to get the text tool, just to get in the habit of it. Then we're going to come in here and we're going to grab this center little square. We're going to pull it as tight as possible to that text. Then we're going to accept it. We're going to hit V. And we're going to move over to the align horizontal centers, just like that. And now we have our thumbnail, Jotun thumbnail creation. And then we're just going to click on video editing just to make sure. Center that. File. Oh, that's not even going there. It's Control S for save. I think we're good. So then we're going to just file, export, quick export, and then we're going to just call it thumbnail creation version 1. Save. The video editing of Jotun thumbnail creation will be up sometime within the next 2 weeks. And I'm going to go ahead and take this thumbnail and put it on the video on YouTube right now and get that scheduled. And hopefully while I'm doing that, you'll go watch another one of my videos. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.